Ever wondered if you could peek into the world of financial markets, analyze charts, and strategize trades without handing over your email or creating yet another password? It's a question many aspiring traders and curious investors ask when they first stumble upon TradingView, that sleek, intuitive platform that seems to be everywhere in the trading community. Can you just use it? Or is an account an absolute must? Let's demystify this. Imagine you're walking past a high-tech command center. You can see the screens, the data scrolling, the intricate graphs. That's a bit like TradingView. You can see a lot from the outside. If you navigate to TradingView.com, you'll immediately be greeted with real-time market data, interactive charts for various assets, stocks, crypto, forex, commodities, and a plethora of analytical tools right there on the homepage. You can zoom in, zoom out, change time frames, apply basic indicators like moving averages or RSI, and even draw simple trend lines. All of this without logging in or signing up. It's an incredible testament to their commitment to accessibility and providing immediate value. This guest mode is fantastic for quick glances, checking a specific stock price, or getting a general feel for market sentiment. It's perfect for the casual observer or someone just beginning to dip their toes into technical analysis. You can explore different asset classes, see popular watch lists, and even access some of the community's top ideas. Think of it as a very robust demo. However, just like peeking into that command center, you'll quickly realize the limitations of being an anonymous observer. While you can view a lot, you can't do much. Want to save your meticulously drawn trend lines for later? Or create a personalized watch list of your favorite stocks? How about setting up an alert for when a particular price level is hit? Or perhaps you're keen on exploring the thousands of custom indicators and strategies developed by the vibrant TradingView community? This is where the need for an account becomes abundantly clear. Creating a free TradingView account unlocks a whole new dimension of functionality. It's like stepping inside the command center and being given your own workstation. With a free account, you can save chart layouts, create custom watch lists, synchronize your settings across multiple devices, and access a wider range of indicators. You can also participate in the community, share your ideas, and learn from others. Crucially, a free account allows you to save your work, making your analysis repeatable and trackable, essential for any serious trader. While TradingView offers various paid plans with even more advanced features like increased indicator limits, more chart layouts, and priority support, the free account is a powerful tool in itself. It provides more than enough functionality for most beginners and even many intermediate traders. So, while you can certainly browse TradingView without an account, to truly leverage its power, to personalize your experience, and to engage with its rich ecosystem, creating a free account is not just recommended, it's practically essential. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.